What is up guys, Tanner this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to give someone Steam points. So first you need to head over to the Steam's application and on the right side, you need to click on the search bar and then you need to type Steam gift cards, and after typing, you will see the Steam gift cards option. Click on this. And after clicking on this, here you will see the send a digital card gift. Click on this. And after clicking on this, here you will see multiple types of digital gift cards. So you can just select the amount of which your budget allows. So let's say I am selecting this one. And when you click on this, a new window will open. So from here, you need to search your friend's name and then you need to write your friend's name. After that, the gift note will be sent to them, and then you just need to simply do the payment and then review it. And then that particular gift card will be sent to your friend. And this is how you can send Steam points to anyone, or you can gift Steam points. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.